Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to speak about flight instrument 6-pack and pitot static system and gyroscope flight. Instrument consists of pitot static system and gyroscope. Pitot static system including of pressure altimeter, airspeed indicator and vertical speed indicator. Airspeed indicator use both static and pitot for indicate airspeed with a differential pressure, but vertical speed indicator and pressure altimeter just use static. Gyroscope, DGI directional gyro indicator or heading indicator. 2. Attitude indicator. 3. Turn coordinator or turn and slip indicator. Don't forget like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.